In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a QR code here in Canva. Now, what I'm going to do is actually show you multiple different ways on how you can do this. Now, what we're going to be utilizing is Canva apps. So if we come over here to the left-hand side, click on apps, come up to the search bar just here and type in QR code, click enter. We now have a few different options that we can choose from. Now, the first one is a very basic option. So if we click on here, we can now enter the URL of where we want the QR code to go. So if I come over to here, take my channel, come back over to Canva, plug that in there, click generate code. We now have that code which will take people directly to my YouTube channel. So this is the most basic one. We do have a few customizable settings as well, with changing the colors and the margin of the QR code. Now if we go back to the apps, again we have a few different options. So we can click on this second one, we can come down to where it says open, and it seems like this one has a little bit of an issue, but not to worry, because if we come back to the apps, we can then see that we still have multiple different options. We can use this one. So with this one, you can add stylish, dynamic QR codes to your designs. If we click open, we then have a few different options to choose from. If we click on here, we can see we've got a lot more customizable settings. Right here is where we plug in our link. We can also change the color, change the background color, and even upload our logo and choose from multiple different patterns. Let's go with this one, click add to design, and now we have our QR code, like that. Now again, we still have a few different options, so let's go back to the App Store, and let's choose this fourth one. So if we read this, you can create advanced, engaging, and beautiful QR codes. If we click open, it seems like you need to have an account with this one. So this one we'd probably not use, but let's go back to the App Store. Now with this one just here, I know that you need an account with this one. Yep, so it wants us to connect, so we can go back. We can go back to the App Store and try another one. Let's go with this one just here. Let's click open, and with this one we can put in our URL. We can also put a little description, then click generate. It's going to do its thing. And there we go. Now it looks like this one's having a little bit of trouble generating the QR code, but not to worry, because like I said, if we go back to the App Store, we actually have a few different options that we can choose from. Now the first one is going to be your best bet, but you don't get any customization with colors. And then your second best choice is going to be the dynamic one, where we can change colors and things like that. But that's how easy it is to create QR codes here in Canva. Now for more bite-sized Canva tutorials, click right here and watch this playlist.